Just one. Uptown. Pretty baby, don't you whinge and whine when I tell you everything's gonna be just fine. Can I get an amen? Amen. Oh, parfait. Say magnifique. Uptown. No bother thinking about the ticking time, but baby, come real close and let me ease your mind. Can I get an all right? All right. Woo. All right. All right. All right. All right. Uptown. You feel the world is trying to do you wrong, but let your trouble slip away while I sing this song. Can I get a witness, y'all? Now, Ben. Oh. Who knows how long things will last? Who knows how it goes? The future runs straight through my past, but don't stop what it holds. But I know in time, yeah, everything will be fine. I see you drowning, yeah, you're raising Cain. You wear a crown and you're lying there, yeah. But I know in time, yeah, everything will be fine. Just like that. Because it's not the way of the world that you say, but your heart tells you everything, but everything is not enough. It's not the way that you act out today. You know the only things that you never have are the only things that can make you through the door. Oh! They're all. I'm not so beautiful, no, to never lie, but they'll tell you anything where they don't know why, yeah, but I know in time, baby, but everything will be fine. Oh. So don't let it weigh on your mind, is all I'm saying. I say I know in time, yeah, everything will be fine, yeah. They say it's not today, it's a long, long ride away. But your thought will be everyone, but everyone's been gone much too long. It's not the play that you act out today. Now you know the history street is in their teeth. It's the only thing that you ever had to walk. Oh yeah, yeah. Fuck you with your relevance, it's not relevant, and let's open up your mouth because I